Coming up in the vlog, we depart at Duxford on runway 06 and head back home to Enstone. Luton Radar have trouble reading us.
Golf Sierra Pappy, it's a basic service. You're coming through very broken. Readability 3 with a lot of interference.
And can I pull off a respectable landing back at Enstone? Welcome back to the vlog. My name's Adam. Today we're flight sharing back to Enstone after a great afternoon at Duxford. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate your support. I love to share these videos with you which show the good, the bad and the ugly. If you like my videos, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. It's just 35 minutes back to Enstone today, so relatively quick. The flight you see today is real, but the video has been edited for your viewing pleasure. Do not use for training. It's a beautiful afternoon to fly. Now grab a drink, sit back and enjoy the flight.
No problem. System information, Golf Bravo Yankee Sierra Papa.
Golf Bravo Yankee Sierra Papa, that's information, good afternoon. Runway news 06, QNH 1020, taxi holding point Charlie.
06 1020, taxi point Charlie. And up to you might check to Charlie, Golf Sierra Papa.
Golf Sierra Papa, A firm, and then you're back to Enstone.
A firm, back to Enstone and check to Charlie, Golf Sierra Papa. Lining up Sierra Papa. There's nothing else coming, is there? No, not that I can see. It's a big old runway.
Golf Sierra Papa, runway 06, paved runway, take off your discretion, surface wind 120 degrees at 5 knots.
Taking off Golf Sierra Papa. Okay, everyone ready? Yep.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, airspeed's alive. Then looks good. Rotate.
Golf Mike Tango, final touch and go to the grass. Golf Mike Tango, runway 06 grass, touch and go, your discretion, wind 120 degrees, left of
Land off of the next one if possible. Is it okay to get the fuel truck over to us before our departure towards Gravely?
Of course.
Thank you very much.
It's a lovely airfield actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a lovely airfield.
Oh yeah.
Wellsbourne seemed nice as well.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
Friendly.
Enstone's nice though. It hasn't got a cafe yet, but they're working on it. They're building a new clubhouse for us.
Crossing 20 to Cambridge 120965. 0 to Cambridge 120965, bye. Golf Mike Tango, downwind for landing. Mike Tango, roger, put final. Golf Mike Tango.
Golf Sierra Papa to London Radar 129550, thank you for your service today.
Yeah, Golf Sierra Papa, roger, free call you en route, bye-bye.
London Radar, Golf Bravo, Yankee Sierra Papa, make your service. Golf Yankee Bravo Sierra Papa, Luton Radar, Squawk 4671, QNH 1021, pass your detail. Squawk 4671, 1021. We're PA28 en route from Duxford back to Enstone. Currently 2600 on 1021. VFR routing correct, Woburn, direct to Enstone, for an altitude, Golf Sierra Papa.
Golf Sierra Pappy, it's a basic service. You're coming through very broken. Readability 3 with a lot of interference.
Basic service, understand the interference, readability 3.
Heading 160 degrees for Zulu. Easy 73 November Whiskey Luton, radar hello 21 mile. Information is Alpha QNH 1020. QNH 1020, Easy 73 November Whiskey. Easy 73 November Whiskey, turn left heading at 130 degrees. Left heading 130 degrees, 73 November Whiskey. Whizgo 85 Bravo Hotel, contact London, 119.780, good day. 9780, Whizgo 85 Bravo Hotel, OA. Easy 73 November Whiskey, descend to altitude 4,000 feet. Descend altitude 4,000 feet, 73 November Whiskey.
It's a bit more hazy, isn't it, on the way back? Yeah.
Easy 73 November Whiskey, turn left heading 105, descend to altitude 3,000 feet, cleared ILS approach, runway 07. Left heading 105, descend altitude 3,000 feet, cleared for the ILS 07, Easy 73 November Whiskey. Easy 73 November Whiskey, contact Luton Tower, call sign only, 132.555, good day. 132.555, Easy 73 November Whiskey, thanks, bye. Brilliant.
Luton, good day, VistaJet 534 descending to 60 on heading 020.
VistaJet 534, Luton radar, hello, information's Alpha, just confirm it, altitude 6,000 feet, QNH 1020.
1020, sorry, 6,000 feet, just on board for VistaJet 534.
VistaJet 534, thanks very much, and it's 25 miles from touchdown. Turn right, heading 040 degrees.
Right, 040, VistaJet 534, copy.
VistaJet 534 on this heading, report established on the localizer, expect further descent at about 7 miles.
On this heading, we report on the localizer and standing by for further descent, VistaJet 534.
VistaJet 534, thanks, and can you just confirm aircraft type again for me, please?
We are Challenger 605, VistaJet 534.
Thank you, then.
So we're just coming up to Woburn now again. We should just be underneath the wing on the right hand side.
VistaJet 534, descend to altitude 3,000 feet, then descend further on the glide path.
Descending 3,000 feet and then further on the glide path for VistaJet 534.
VistaJet 534, contact Luton Tower, call sign only, 132.555, good day.
132.555, call sign only for VistaJet 534, good day.
Everyone okay? Golf Sierra Papa, line 3 call en route to Enstone, 129.880.
Golf Sierra Papa, thanks, squawk con security and free call, bye bye.
Okay, nearly back at Enstone now.
Golf Alpha Victor Bravo Golf, taking off 08 hard.
We're just crossing the M40. So we're going to join the circuit downwind like we did at Duxford. Get a good view there of Hayford. Yeah.
Golf off Whiskey, downwind, glide, touch and go, 08 hard. Enter traffic, Golf Uniform Golf, downwind, left hand, 08 north side cross and visual with Cessna ahead. Golf off Whiskey, downwind.
Enter traffic, Golf Sierra Papa, 5 miles east of the field. We'll join downwind for 08 hard. The airfield's just over there to the left. You see there's like some reflection, there's the hangars there. If you can keep an eye out for the traffic as well. Please. Golf Sierra Papa, lane downwind for 08 hard.
Golf Oscar Whiskey, downwind, Flapless 08 hard, touch and go.
Andrea Golf Mike Alpha Sierra approaching from Oxford.
Golf Sierra Papa's left base 08 hard.
That will burn on the night.
Yeah.
It's radio, good afternoon, Golf Alpha Zulu Lima November. Golf Uniform Golf takeoff 08 North Cycloss. Enstone traffic, Golf Alpha Zulu Lima November, rejoining from the northwest, 7 miles to run. We'll call dead side descending.
Golf Sierra Papa's side or 08 hard.
Golf Mike Alpha Sierra on the dead side of runway 26 hard.
Thank you for watching if you got this far. It's been a perfect afternoon for flying, although I still need to work on my flare technique. Please subscribe if you like my videos and don't forget to leave me a comment, and there'll be another video coming very soon.
Golf Sierra Papa's vacating at Foxtrot. So, welcome back to Enstone.
Whiskey, final Flapless, touch and go 08 hard. Golf Uniform Golf climbing above the circuit to 2,500 feet to do a simulated power failure.
Enjoy that?